How to block someone on Facebook Messenger. Open the Facebook Messenger app, the blue chat bubble icon. Option A, from a chat, the fastest way. Open the conversation with the person you want to block. Tap their profile picture or name at the top. Scroll down, tap block. A pop-up should appear, tap block again, and they are blocked. They will not get notified you blocked them. Another quick way is to do it from the chat list. From your main chats tab, long press the conversation, then tap block. Same pop-up may appear, then tap block again. There you go, no more annoying messages. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Facebook or Messenger privacy or any kind of tips. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.